In this video, I will show you how to connect MetaQuest to the Meta Horizon app. Of course, you will need the compatible MetaQuest headsets and the Meta App Horizon app on your Android or iPhone, and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi enabled on your phone. So first of all, on your phone, you would like to go and download the Meta Horizon app and open the app and sign in with your Meta account or create one if you don't have one yet. Then you would like to turn on your MetaQuest headsets. Press and hold the power button, wait until the Meta logo appears, and complete the basic setup on the headsets, including connecting it to the Wi-Fi. Then, inside or in the Meta Horizon app, you'll have to go and click on Menu, then Devices, to connect or tap, then connect a new device. Then choose your Meta Quest model. Meta uses devices basically, and then you can connect your new device to pair additional headsets if you want to. So the app basically will search for your headsets. If prompted, confirm the payment, the pairing code shown in the headsets, and follow the on-screen instructions as well. So keep your phone close to the headset during the pairing. After pairing, you can install any available updates and finish the setup, and your headsets will appear in the devices section of the app. You can now manage your headsets, install app remotely, and adjust settings from the Meta Horizon app. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching. But before we finish, some common problems that most people have once trying to pair. Maybe the headset doesn't appear as example. Make sure that you turn on your Bluetooth and keep your phone close to the headset, and make sure both devices are connected to the Wi-Fi. And if the pairing fails for some reason, make sure to restart both the phone and the headset, open the Meta Horizon app again, and try connecting your new device. And if you can't find the pairing code, just complete the initial headset setup first, then try pairing again through the Meta Horizon app. So yeah, that was it for me. Thank you for watching and goodbye.